Paikot-ikotin kami, di ko mahanap eh.
Okay, sinend mo. Sige, sige.
What happened?
There was a guy stealing his phone, but I told him to stop. Don't go back there. Don't go back there. You are not going to stay here. You stay here.
Palis na kami ng bahay, guys. Let's go na, ate. Prepare. Okay ka na, ate? How about you, mami? Okay ka na? Alright, so guys, we're going to the pool now. So I need to drive the car now. Sila Joy tsaka sila Leia. Alright, so our friend is also going to that place. Ikaw na? Sige. So si tita na raw magdadala nitong bag. Yung dalawang bata, asan na?
Baba na po.
Excited. So guys, drive muna kami. I'll see you later again.
Hot inside here. Daddy, usog ng konti upuan.
Inusog ko sa unahan.
Sige na, okay na. Ako na.
Mami, ready na?
Ready?
Where's Noah?
Here.
What are you doing, Noah? Okay, ready na rin si Noah. How about you, Baste? Where are you?
Ate, see Waspy in the... Oh!
Where?
There's Waspy up in your home.
Alright, so Bella, let's go now. Let's drive now. Bye-bye, guys. Guys, nag-drive kami ngayon papunta dito sa accommodation ni Tita Jenny kasi naiwanan niya yung kanyang swimsuit. Bilis welcome back. Pwede na pang-suot natin.
Saan yung entrance sa museo?
Sinend ko sa messenger mo.
Okay. Sige, sige. Okay, check ko.
Paikot-ikotin kami, di ko mahanap eh.
Okay, sinend mo. Sige, sige.
Oh, kakasan ko lang sa'yo ngayon.
Okay. Sige, kuya. Okay, check ko.
Okay, sige, bye-bye. Medyo mainit. We're here na, guys, we're here. Anong Bella, you're excited?
Yes, I'm so tired.
We're here na. Let's wait for Tito Ting and Tita Joy, Tito Elvin and Tito Leia.
Hindi ko narinig.
Yun oh. Dito na sila Joy oh. Hello guys, ito yung friend namin dito sa UAE, si Ting. Ayan, si Ting. Okay lang?
Oo nga. Go, para artista.
Hindi ako nagpaalam. Yan, si Ting. Si Tita Joy,
Hello!
Welcome to my vlog! Pinaka-sexy namin na tropa. Tita Joy. Hello, Tita. And then this is Syed. Hello, baby! Ang ganda naman ng box. You're on the vlog now. Ito na lang kamukha ni Mama. Ateng. Buti ba ito si Syed o this is the family of Muneba
Parang
o.
kasya. Medyo pasikip na, pero thank you Lord.
Ano? Let's go swim. Let's go swim.
Paano? Ay, baliktad ata yung
Pogi,
paglagay ng
pogi, oh.
nanay. Baliktad ba?
Siyempre yung nanay, mana sa nanay eh. Ang ganda ng talagang
Kung
bangs
kanina
nito.
pa pala
Ganda ng
yan.
bangs talaga.
Yun. Siyempre. Expert ang nag-ano niyan mo.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna go inside now.
Bye-bye, baby.
Tito Ting will pay for our ticket. Tara na! Let's go, Baste! Be careful ha, there's a car. Yung sinama si Joy. Lalakad tayo? Sige, let's go. Mami, yung ano, food. Yan. Thank you.
Alam niyo, Beshi?
Okay. So guys, from the entrance, kung papasok kayo doon, maglalakad pa daw kayo ng 7 minutes papunta doon sa kabila. Oops!
Ready, ah? Bata lang ready, di ba?
Go pa natin oh.
Sunod kayo.
Uy, yung style. Sa tol. Baka gusto mo mag-shoutout sa Iloilo. Abot ang Iloilo to. Wait ah. So guys, this is not allowed to go here. Even the small snack is not allowed. Making sure that you will not bring anything, any food inside the merchant park. Alright, we will get it later, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. Jimmy. Alright, so yun, hindi allowed yung yung pagkain talaga. Kahit yung biscuit hindi pinayagan madala sa loob. Are you excited, kuya? Ha?
Hello, wow! Grabe na talaga, may pang-vlog.
Ano, kumusta?
Good na good!
Pinakamagandang kaibigan namin si Leia. Asawa ni Paring Alvin. Asan si Ay, si ate. Kanina po pala kayo.
Nandito. Akala ko nandito na kayo sa loob.
Akala namin yung sasakyan nyo nandun. Sabi ko kay Maricar, parang 1 week yung nakaparking ka ako dito eh. Kasi ang alikabok eh. Sabi ko parang 1 week yung nakaparking. Alright. Mami, yung biscuit natin, kinuha nila.
Yung stick? Ay, ate.
Hindi, yung yung...
Skyflakes?
Joy.
Oo.
Skyflakes. So guys, this is the park. Just malikot lang pero sobrang ganda. Oh. Are you happy, kuya? Are you happy? You like it? Ano yan?
Ganito, pag gusto niyo ng pagkain,
Ah, sige po, sige.
saanin ko kayong order.
Tol!
Bigyan ko kayo.
Butik na basang-basa ka. Tinatanong ako ni ate, pwede ba ate?
Ano?
Mapasok ka sa video?
O bakit?
Tinatanong ako ni ate, sir, vlogger ka raw? Sabi ko, hindi, yung nakaitim. Pinapahawak lang sa akin yung camera. Ito po talaga yung vlogger, oh. Sa kanya po ito eh. Ate Jenny.
Hello po.
Hindi ka? Hello. You okay, kuya? You okay?
So cool!
Hello, Toto!
Tapos mag-post ka daw.
Ipo-post ko yan kung meron kayong 5%. Okay, so okay, guys. Alright.
May-ari mismo nagsabi sa akin.
Daming follower niyan.
Alright, so guys, this is just for your information.
Facebook ngayon, nag-live siya.
Live yan.
So if you want to grab some snack here inside the Murjan Park, there's one store which is Zila's Cafe. They give 20%?
Wala na income
No. Nagbibigay po sila ng 5% sa lahat to ate. O, sa lahat po ng pagkain dito.
Mura. Mura na yung pagkain, may discount pa.
They give 5% discount for every menu. Anong meron kayo ate? Sige. Meron silang burgers, may pangbata, fries. Okay, so yung pangalan, ang pangalan po ay Zila's Cafe and Snacks. Ayan.
Look for kuya. Paminsan-minsan lang naman kasi ako.
Ayan, no, may
my first time to go here, enjoying. You like the You like the pool? Where is mommy? There's mommy, oh, there, oh. There's mommy, oh. Oh, mommy. No Wise hungry na rin, oh.
Okay lang sabay ko siya ganon? Oo. Okay lang sabay ko siya.
Ay, paborito yan, ah.
Magkakalog kay Maricar. Madali na!
Paborito.
Ito na yan, tay. At saka isaw doon na.
Ate, tara halika dito. Let's go na. Let's go to Tita. Babay na to, mami. Who? What happened?
There was a guy stealing his food, but I told him to stop. But he started attacking me.
Tell them to stop.
I told him.
Don't go back there. Don't go back there. You and Adam, you stay here. You stay here.
Yan. Meron kaming meron kaming fighting scene.
Fighting scene.
Ayan. Tinuturuan ng mga daddy yung mga anak na
Maging matatag.
ipagtanggol yung kanyang mga sarili. Ano yung advice mo, Tol?
If someone is fighting with you, okay?
Okay, don't worry. Tito knows how to edit. I will...
You're afraid. Huh? If I fight him, I will side. You want that?
Give me that West Coast love, so good I could die. I know it's something different, but you, that's why I'm so afraid. Tripping in fields of poppies, and you show me what it's like.
Kumusta?
Floating in a gym, we're drifting through a supermoon. There's so much to lose, just say you wanted to. Finding our way by feel, it's soft and warm and it's real. Nothing left to prove, but say you wanted to.
Bye-bye.
Let us go on all night, postpone the daylight and morning dew. Moonlight, make us feel alright, just until daylight.
Ayan guys, nasa city na kami from Khalifa Park. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Abu Dhabi City. May pupuntahan pa rin kami kila paring LB. Nag-aaya sila ng, di ba kanina? Nag-aaya sila mag-lunch mami, di ba? Ay, dinner. I mean, lunch dinner. So ito ngayon, nasa Abu Dhabi na naman kami. Tita Jenny, thank you. Ayan, Tita Jenny is trying to, guys, si Tita Jenny ay nagsisimula na magkabisado ng camera kasi mag-vlog na rin daw siya. Ang content ni Tita Jenny ay magluluto daw siya ng masarap na pagkain. Sir,
Kilala ka sa vlog.
200,000 subscriber lang naman. Sir, baka matagdagan pag 20, pag 30 ka. Hindi, biro ko lang. Joke lang po. Ay, grabe, nilusob nyo na yung kitchen nila, Tito Elvin, Tita Leia, oh. Kain. Pansit. Yun yung nilaga. Nilaga yung baboy. Ano yan, Dax? Ting, kumusta? luto ni Paring Elvin. Okay? Rakamuahid. Ay, rakamuahid. Rakamuahid, tol. Ayun sa rakamuahid ka. Pag nagsama-sama yung mga magbebeshi, ang ingay. Yan guys, so nandito tayo sa bahay nila Paring Elvin at saka Leia. Sobrang generous nila sa dinner. Thank you madam, thank you Tito Elvin. Masarap ng sinigang na baboy. Masarap din ng ng manok. Tsaka meron pa aming cheesecake. Galing kay Jay tsaka kay Ting. Yan, thank you so much.
Thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never cease.